Hi everyone! Are you ready to stretch, move, and have fun? Let's do easy yoga together. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Squat, with feet wider than hips and toes turned out. Bring your palms together at your chest, using your elbows to gently press your knees open. Keep your spine long.
Oh, little yogi, happy and truly free. Moving our bodies for you and me. Jump up high and spin all around. Best little yogi in the whole wide town.
Sit with a straight spine and cross your legs at the shins. Rest your hands on your knees. Relax your shoulders and breathe deeply to find stillness.
Croaking softly from a grassy log. Balance on one foot, what a great treat. Strong and steady with happy feet. Wiggle fingers, wiggle our toes.
Sit with one leg extended. Lean to your leg and reach your arm overhead for a deep stretch.
Bodies for you and me. Jump up high and spin all around. Best little yogi in the whole wide town. Downward dog, let's wag our tail. Meow like a cat. Without any fail, reach for the sun.
From a plank, shift your weight
Yoga
onto
fun
one hand
throughout
and
the
the
whole
outer
day.
edge of that
Lions
leg.
roar, oh what a
Stack
big
your
sound.
feet.
Happy
Lift your
yoga
hips
all
high
around.
and reach your
all
opposite
around.
arm towards the sky.
Oh, little yogi, happy and truly free. Moving our bodies for you and me. Jump up high and spin all around. Best little yogi in the whole wide town.
Sit with legs
Warrior
extended
strong,
and spine
stand up
tall.
so proud.
Inhale,
Chanting
reach
softly,
up.
not too
Then
loud.
exhale
Butterfly
and
wings,
fold
open them
forward
wide.
from your
Let your
hips.
joyful
Grasp your
feelings
feet
be your
or shins,
guide.
keeping
Sparkle
your
bright
back
like a
long
shining
and
star,
relaxed.
showing everyone how great you are. Oh, little yogi, happy and truly free.
Sit tall
Moving our
and bring your
bodies
feet
for
together.
you and me.
Let your
Jump
knees
up
drop
high
and
and
flap
spin
them
all
like
around.
balloons, or
Best
stay
little
still
yogi
to
in the
open
whole
your
wide
hips.
town. Now lay down
Sit
quiet
tall
on the
and bring your
peaceful
feet
ground.
together.
Listen
Let your
closely
knees
to every
drop and
calming
gently flap
sound.
them like
Close
little
your eyes
wings,
and breathe so
or stay
very
still to
slow.
open your
Watch your happy
hips.
thoughts and feelings grow like a feather, soft and light and bright. Ending our yoga journey just right. Oh,
Lie on
little
your
yogi,
belly.
happy and
Bend
truly
your
free.
knees and grab your ankles.
Moving our bodies for you
Inhale
and
to
me.
lift your
Jump up
chest
high
and
and
thighs,
spin all
forming a bow
around.
shape.
Best little yogi in the
Breathe
whole wide
steadily
town.
and open your chest. Stand tall with feet together. Interlace your fingers
Reach
and
to
reach
the
your arms
sky,
overhead.
so very
Inhale
high.
to lengthen, then
Then touch your
exhale and
toes
lean to
down
one
to
side,
the floor.
stretching your rib cage and lateral muscles.
Breathing deep through your tiny nose. Let the happy feelings gently grow like a tall tree. Stand up so still, stretching bodies with a joyful will. Oh, little yogi,
From a
happy and
lunge,
truly free.
place both hands
Moving our
inside
bodies
your front
for you and me.
Lower
Jump
your
up
back
high
knee
and spin
or
all
keep it
around.
lifted.
Best little yogi
Sink
in the
your
whole
hips
wide
forward
town.
and rest on your forearms.
Now let's pretend we're a wobbly frog, croaking softly from a grassy log.
Stand tall with feet together.
Balance
Exhale
on one
and fold
foot, what a
forward
great
from your
treat.
hips,
Strong and
bringing
steady
your
with
torso
happy
toward your
feet.
legs.
Wiggle
Relax your head and
fingers,
neck.
wiggle
Touch
our
your feet toward
toes.
the
Every
floor.
part of our body brightly glows. Oh, little yogi, happy and truly free. Moving our bodies for you and me. Jump up high and spin all around. Best little yogi in the whole wide town.
Lie on your back. Hug your knees
Downward
to your
dog,
chest and
let's
clasp
wag
your
our
hands around your
tail.
shins.
Meow like a cat.
Gently
Without
lift
any
your head
fail,
toward your
reach
knees,
for the
massaging
sun.
your abdomen and lower back.
Yoga fun throughout the whole day. Lions roar, oh what a big sound. Happy yoga all around. All around. Oh, little yogi, happy and truly free. Moving our
on one
bodies
knee,
for you and
extending
me.
the
Jump
other
up
leg
high
to the
and spin
side.
all around.
Inhale,
Little yogi
reach
in the
your
whole wide
opposite arm
town.
up. Then exhale and lean toward your straight leg, stretching
Warrior
your
strong,
spine.
stand up so proud. Chanting softly, not too loud. Butterfly wings, open them wide. Let your joyful feelings be your guide. Sparkle bright like a shining star, showing
From all
everyone
fours,
how
step
great
your
you
feet
are.
back and lift your knees. Keep your body in a straight
Oh,
line,
little
arms
yogi,
under
happy and
shoulders,
truly
and engage
free.
your core and
Moving our
thighs.
bodies for you and me. Jump up high and spin all around. Best little yogi in the whole wide town. Now lay down quiet on the peaceful ground. Listen closely to every calming sound. Close your eyes and breathe so very slow. Watch your happy thoughts and feelings grow like a
Lie on your
feather,
back and
soft
hug
light
one
and
knee to your
bright.
chest. Drop it across
Ending our
your body
yoga
to the
journey
floor.
just right.
Extend your opposite arm and
Little
gaze
yogi,
toward your
happy and
hands.
truly free. Moving our bodies for you and me. Jump up high and spin. Reach to the sky,
Sit
so
with
very
knees bent
high.
and feet flat.
Then touch
Place
your
hands
toes
behind your
down
hips.
to the floor.
Inhale. Lift your hips until
Breathe
your
in deep
torso
through your
and
tiny
thighs
nose.
are
Let the
parallel
happy
to the floor,
feelings gently
like
grow
a
like a
table.
tall tree. Stand up so still, stretching bodies with a joyful will. Oh, little yogi, happy and truly free. Moving our bodies for you and me. Jump up high and
Sit
spin all
tall
around.
and
Best
extend
little yogi
one
in the
leg.
whole white town.
Bend the other knee, grab your foot, and bring it toward your ear like a telephone. Keep your spine straight and chest
Now
open.
let's pretend we're a wobbly frog, croaking softly from a grassy log. Balance on one foot, what a great treat. Strong and steady with happy
Lie
feet.
on your
Wiggle
back.
fingers,
hips
wiggle our
and swing your
toes. Every
legs
part of our
overhead.
body brightly glows.
Touch your toes to the floor
Oh,
behind
little
you.
yogi, happy and
Keep your
truly
spine
free. Moving our bodies for you and me. Jump up high and spin all around. Best little yogi in the whole white town. Downward dog, let's wag our tail.
From a
Without
kneeling
any
position,
fail,
sit
reach
between your
for the
heels
sun.
and slowly lean back onto
Yoga
your
fun
forearms,
throughout
or
the whole
lie
day.
flat.
Lions roar,
Keep your
oh what
knees
a big
together
sound.
and
Happy
stretch your
yoga
thighs.
all around. All around. Oh, little yogi, happy and truly free. Moving our bodies for you and me. Jump up high and spin all around. Best little yogi in the
Step your
whole white
feet
town.
wide. Turn one foot out and bend your knee over your ankle.
Warrior strong,
Stretch your arms
stand
out.
up so
Gaze
proud.
over your front
Chanting
hand
softly,
and keep
not
your
too
torso
loud.
centered.
Butterfly wings, open them wide. Let your joyful feelings be your guide. Sparkle bright like a shining star, showing everyone how great you are. Oh,
Lie on your
little
back with
yogi,
knees
happy and
bent.
truly free.
Cross one ankle
Moving
over
our
the
bodies
opposite
for
thigh.
you and me.
Reach
Jump up
through
high
and
and
pull
spin
your
all
bottom
around.
leg towards your
Best little
chest
yogi in
to
the whole
stretch your
white town.
hips.
Now lay down quiet on the peaceful ground. Listen closely to every calming sound. Close your eyes and breathe so very slow. Watch your happy thoughts and feelings grow like a feather, soft and light and bright. Ending our yoga journey just
From all
right.
fours, tuck your toes and lift
Little
your
yogi,
hips toward the
happy and
sky.
truly free.
Push through your palms.
Moving our bodies for
Extend
you
your
and
spine
me. Jump
and
up
reach your
high and
heels
spin
toward
all
the floor.
around. Best little yogi in the whole white town.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.